to the train station. We made it. Whoops.
Okay.
Which way? This way?
That's the New York. That's the that's what Philly people do right there.
We just checked in. Look at this headboard. So fun. Where's the fridge? The wallpaper is super cool. So this is a little mini bar. There's love kits for him and for her. Let's see how much they are. Do you have a guess?
27.
Love kit, love kit. No. Higher.
45.
35.
You step towards the door. All right.
Good morning, everyone. It is Saturday morning. We're in New York. It's like 7 a.m. and my boyfriend and I are gonna go for a walk. So he loves to do like early morning walks before the city wakes up. And yeah, I'm wearing his bucket hat because it's raining and I didn't bring an umbrella. Let's go. There's barely any cars. Here's a car. Okay, for context, this thing is huge. This is so cool. Oh yeah, this is the craziness. Which way are we going? You want some New York gifts? I'm so excited.
Sells out pretty quick.
Yeah. These are awesome seats. We're going the right way? So I got all my food that I wanted. Yum. Buns, and we're here at the park. Heading home. morning, everyone. I look kind of crazy because I have just been trying to plan out my day and what it looks like. Big update. I haven't vlogged in a few days, so you guys probably don't know what's going on at all. The elevator's open, by the way. So ignore that. I'm like moving things in and out, but we have officially set a move date, and I've been waiting to figure out our move date for a couple weeks just so I can get everything planned. But we are moving this weekend, this Saturday, and it's Thursday. So it is crunch time for packing, and I'm just so excited. So I'm up here on the 4th floor in the guest room / filming room, and we are just packing. And it's kind of funny because I still have my apartment, my studio in a different part of the city, and most of that stuff is just staying there because I'm keeping my studio apartment. I don't know if I mentioned that already. I think I did, but I'm keeping my place. And so I don't have too much here. We're gonna pack, and we have to pack the kitchen as well today, and then I have to do tons of laundry. Hello everyone, good morning. I have not vlogged in a while because my phone, somehow the storage keeps filling up even after clearing a bunch of space. But I'm filming on my actual main camera, so the quality, again, top notch. But I have not vlogged all week, and tomorrow is our official moving day. So I don't know if you guys can tell, this kitchen is a hot mess, and we gotta continue to pack. So let me just show you guys what's going on. So lots of things being bubble wrapped here. Boxes. This is what's left that needs to be packed. Like, most of these cabinets, please be empty. I'm like, please be empty. I think we still have some things in here. Yeah. So I'm trying to keep the cabinets open that still have things in them. So we have some cups that still need to go in boxes, but a lot of these are filled already. Let's see. Yep. And then glasses. So we just have a lot to do still, and this is crazy. So I honestly haven't vlogged packing at all because it's just been insane. This house is huge, and we are downsizing to about half of the space. We're going into an apartment. Yeah, I just definitely want to get the kitchen done today because tonight my friends are taking me out to sushi, and then we're gonna go dancing. So it's for my birthday, which my birthday was March 15th. I don't know when you're gonna see this. I'm really behind on my vlog, so you're gonna see this way later than us actually moving, but in real time, we're moving tomorrow, and my birthday was 2 days ago. So let's just get to packing. Okay, so obviously this is a mess here, and it's fine, we're moving. I just want to show you guys my beautiful flowers my boyfriend got me for my birthday. There was a whole story behind this, like crazy story. But they arrived like a day late, and it was a whole thing, but they are just so gorgeous. I absolutely love them. And he also sent this like really cute note. Can you guys see that? Ugh. So adorable. I love him. But yeah, I want to show you guys that really quick. Now let's go pack. Also, really quick, chocolates. The flowers also came with chocolates. I wanted to open this up because I love chocolates, but I figured we'll just wait till we get into the new apartment. But I'm just gonna throw a bunch of these things in our snack drawer into a bag and then into a box. A bunch of our snacks, my favorite Bada Bean snacks. These have great protein in them. So we're gonna throw all of these. Let me make sure this is closed, because that's the worst, right? When you're like packing up food things and then everything's open. We have a bunch of our like sauces and stuff up here. I got rid of so many sauces because we just don't use all of them. So Oh, I got these too. I love Almond Joys, and the eggs are one of my favorites, so I got those. I don't know why. Oh my gosh, did I show you guys these? This bag is pretty much empty. I'm gonna finish this bag today, but I have another bag in the cabinet. Trader Joe's triple ginger pretzels. If you guys love ginger flavored anything, so good. I hope there's enough space in here. Okay, let's do that. These cashews are pretty much almost done, so I'll try to eat the rest of those. Some dried cherries. This was my, I don't know if this is even good anymore. This was from Lunar New Year. My coconut candy. Let's see. That's so good. This is just dried coconut. I'm actually gonna put this in a Ziploc because I don't like this container. So, my rice paper. I'm gonna try to put this in a Ziploc too. And then just rice cakes. Perfect. Good morning, everyone. This is the Sunday of moving. There are just so many boxes. We had a horrific, terrible moving day, and now everything is like pretty unorganized. But we gotta start somewhere. Hello everyone. Oop, you guys are kind of crooked. We are here vlogging for the first time in the new apartment. I'm so excited. I just got back from the grocery store, so I'm gonna show you guys the grocery haul that we have going on. This is my first time vlogging since we like fully moved everything in. We are still in the process of unpacking some boxes, and I'm gonna do a whole other video on like the moving process. This was the most terrible moving process I've ever experienced, and it was just very overwhelming, and I got sick, and it was a whole thing. And anyway, I'm better now. It's a few days after the whole moving sitch, and we needed groceries because we haven't grocery shopped in like almost 2 weeks, a week and a half, because we were trying to eat through our fridge at the old place, and we've just been eating out because convenience. So let's dive into what we got. You can see little Peensy over there. Hi, Peensy. Okay, so let's just start over here. These wine bottles actually are not from today's grocery haul. These are gifts for the leasing office because they were really kind and hooked us up with the apartment that we wanted, so we just got them wine. But that's not from today. That's just sitting there to remind us. So I went to Aldi and Giant. So this is the haul that we're looking at. So most things are from Aldi. Actually, it's like half and half. Okay, lettuce. We are doing burgers tonight, so I needed lettuce, tomato, obviously. And then I got some fruit. I saw these little pomegranate cups. I love pomegranate. I got one of these to try, and if I like them, I'm gonna go get more. Blueberries, blackberries, and I got these like little convenience snacks. I don't know if I showed them to you before, but they are little protein snacks with cheese and turkey sausage bites. And then this one is cheese and turkey sausage bites as well. This is Colby Jack. This one is sharp cheddar. So I got those for, again, quick on-the-go snacks. We got bananas, that's the receipt. Peppers, because this week we're also doing like a curry chicken. I'm gonna put peppers in it. A cucumber just to like snack on. Some cashews, brown sugar, macaroni and cheese. It wouldn't be a haul if we didn't have some convenience foods. We got these brioche hot dog buns because we're doing burgers and hot dogs tonight, like I mentioned. So brioche hot dog buns and brioche burger buns. Caracara oranges because I've been obsessed with oranges, and these are so good if you've never tried them. Onion, my boyfriend's breakfast, which is whole wheat English muffins. This dressing, you guys, So good. Creamy balsamic, Brianna's, so good. Oh my gosh, and these. All right, story behind these. I was obsessed with these probably back when I was living with my friend Steph in 2017-18, and we always got them at, I think, Whole Foods maybe, and then they stopped carrying them and I couldn't find them. I found them at Giant. I'm so excited. They're just plain pretzels, but you guys, these gluten-free ones are so crunchy. They're not too salty because I don't like salty, and they're just so good. Okay, I got some of my hazelnut Coffee Mate Zero Sugar. I tried the French vanilla and I like the hazelnut better, honestly. I got this to try because I saw a YouTuber use this. I watch a few YouTubers like vlogs and stuff like that and cooking videos. She uses hamburger seasoning, so I'm gonna use this on the burgers tonight. I needed more mayo because we don't have any. I got some 000 Oikos, vanilla Greek yogurt, Texas toast, chicken breast, yellow potatoes. This was from the deli, so I got turkey, just like roasted turkey, cheddar cheese for the burgers, and then American cheese for my turkey. I'm gonna do my turkey and cheese in like a lettuce wrap for lunches. And then I got some beef hot dogs and then the beef burgers. So yeah, the seasoning is gonna go on the burgers. There's Waihu. Waihu. Hi, puppy. There's some boxes over there. Oh my gosh, none of this is for you guys. So yeah, that is pretty much the grocery haul.